Yeah, guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's kind of windy out here, but look, guys, the family side is a lazy river. It's not too big, it's just right here. Goes around and come back around right there. Smaller. More of like a little grotto thing you go under up there. But yeah, we at Ocean Eden Bay. This side is Ocean Eden Bay. That side is Coral Springs over there. You got a little bit of everything. Something for the kids, something for the adults. This side over there is the adult side. But yeah, guys, let me see if I can find an elevator. Going down and get some coffee, you know. Yeah, I got beach views. I'll go over there. I'll go over that section right there. So go for a little tour. See what I'm going. Yeah. Also an elevator right there. So it's at the end of the road, guys. End of the building. I'm up on the 4th floor. Oh, see there. Let's go. Things in there. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give you a little review on the hotel now. See? It's not a great hotel. It's a 5-star online, but I would probably say 3 stars. Customer service, most of it is on point. It's okay. They're trying. A lot of young staff, but what happened is the hotel itself is the hotel itself. Look, walls, stripping, painting. It's just outdated. Now I checked, and when I checked, there was hold on, man, try to get out of the wind, guys. Yeah, when I checked, it's like the hotel was just built in 2019. So if it just built in 2019, how the hell it look this old already in 4 years, you know what I'm saying? So right now, as I say, just need a lot of updating. Right? Need a hope of updating. Now and then the wind probably I'll get here and try to find somewhere to stand up. So yeah, it's like, hold on one second, let me come out of the wind. So guys, I'm there at tape out hill, I record out hill, and I never actually record the morning. Yeah, man. So guys, my day I record, as me say, my record hotel, thinking that it was recording, the mic was on but no recording. So I have to go back and redo the footage, yo. Yeah, but this is how the kids, the lazy river right there. You have the adult section over there. Now The piece I missed a while ago was a recording. A little review me that give. So I'm going to redo the little review once I go back out. Yeah, I'm going to redo the little review. I can't believe I walk all the way out to the beach. I did a record and I show everything and all of that. And nothing ever record. Vlogging life, yo. But yeah, I come get some coffee, some hot water. And then I go back down and do my little review. So I mean, while I'm there, I'm start with the inside. So the hallways right here, guys, as I said, I just find out that the hotel was built like 2019, they opened for business. However, the place just look old. There's no maintenance. Them now upkeep the place, right? There's a lack of, you know, it's just shabby. Like they never did any kind of maintenance on the building. You know, the hallways messed up. You know what I say? Some places the ceiling a drop down. You know, the hallway them. You know, it's crazy. You see the molding missing from right here, so you know. Some places I got all holes in the ceiling, in the hallways. That's not acceptable, you know what I say? I know hurricane do that. That was there before. Hold on, I think I pass the room. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm sure no one go on. Sun hot today, windy but as I was saying earlier before, it's a 5-star hotel, but not really a 5-star hotel. Turn on the mic here, guys. Hold on. Alright, so we connect. So it is not really a 5-star hotel to me. I think it just need fixing. They don't do anything when it comes to repairs. See, that's the family side right there. Before I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. I ended up didn't press in record. I turned the mic on, but I didn't press the record. But yeah, as you can tell, I'm up on the 4th floor. But you see that they don't paint the buildings. The buildings need painting, the hallways and everything. Hold on. How are you? Alright. Yeah. So hallways need repairs. So we get some beach view. That's the lazy pool for the kids, the lazy river pool. Waterfalls, grotto. But I was saying that they need to, you know what I'm saying, the place need painting, pretty much, you know. It looks outdated, but this place hasn't been built a long time now. They opened in 2019, and look, they got door handles missing. You know what I'm saying? It just needs repair, you know, painting, it's rusting and all of that. And chandeliers need cleaning. Isn't it? Look at that, dusty. They just don't spend any money on maintenance, you know. Yeah, they don't spend any money on maintenance. They just fix the obvious and the stuff that need immediate attention, you know. But the rooms ain't that great. It's not 5-star. It's some of the rooms. The first room we got was dirty, like dirty, need cleaning. Like they didn't clean it properly. There's a beach right there. So guys, I went all the way down there and walk out to that gazebo thing out in that pier. I thought I was recording, but it wasn't. So I want to go back out there so you guys could see it. Got an elevator right here. Let me go on the other side so you could see. Stairs right here. On this side. So that was the family side. This is the adult side. So they got their own pool. Real windy today. Real windy. Yeah, as I said, the glass, the railings, it's real dirty. Yeah. See, they got this green, outdated look tiles, you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, let's go downstairs. The elevators stinks. I could complain all day. It's just, you know, at the end of the day, if you guys need nice, clean resorts, that's nice, and you know, choose a different hotel. If you just want cheap in and out and you outside most of the time, then you could stay here. I guess the wet smell is from maybe the hurricane, because the hurricane just passed through. So, you know. With the hurricane passing through it, a lot of the rooms probably got wet. Under water went under the doors and get everything wet, so it has that wet smell. Now that's the hurricane. But when you talk about maintenance and building needs painting, you know what I'm saying, that's a different story. So yeah, man, see them have a little bar right there. Over tiki huts. Oh, see them have a little restaurant over there, so that's probably where the jerk restaurant thing is. That jerk hut or whatever that is. Like a mini bar right here. See, they're working on the huts, guys. The hurricane blew all these huts down, so they're working on them. Got this little section right here. They got that little section over there. It's real windy, guys, so I don't know if you hear me good right now. I'm using the mic, but I'm not sure if you're hearing me clearly. It's real windy. But yeah, so this hotel, if you're here and you just want to chill on the beach, you know, they're cleaning it up. It was real dirty. They're cleaning it, make it look nice again. They had the tractors over here. The tractors was cleaning the beach, you know. See, they're actually sweeping the debris and stuff off of it. So I'm quite sure it's going to be nicer. It's just because of the hurricane, why it look like this. See oh, here you can't really swim, but on this side, and once they clean it up, it should be nice. But yeah, I got a little gazebo thing. So see, this needs paint. It's not, needs some work. I mean, it's out in the elements, but I would assume they would, paint it up all the time and make it look nice. See the hotels from a distance, it looks good, but if you look good, it needs painting. All the hotels, the buildings need painting. So it's like they just built it in 2019, so it will be like 4 years now, 4 or 5 years. But they just built it and that was it. They didn't do no maintenance, or they're not doing any maintenance on it. So see, I'll have a little nice clear spot right there. They got seaweeds right here. But I'm quite sure whenever they get a chance, they're gonna clean all this up, clean all these seaweeds up and make it look nice, But this side right here is the family side, and that's the adult side on that side. But yeah, I tested the water yesterday. It was the water was nice and warm. It's just windy, but the water was nice and warm. So I'm gonna head over there and go inside eventually. Yeah, man. But yeah, we're out here mini vacay, I mean, the food is it's good. The food is I wouldn't say it's great, but it's they have a lot of choices. So my take on it, yes, I would come back on it. It's a little bit cheaper than the other hotels. I would come back, but you gotta just accept it for what it is. It's not, as I said, they put a 5-star on it. It's not a 5-star. My experience wasn't that great. I mean, I would come back, but there's a lot of other choices I could probably choose and try somewhere else. Oh, they got a lot of cats over here. Look at this cat right here. He's chilling on the beach. See him? Right there. Chilling. Yeah. So, hold on, guys. What going on, brother? Everything good? Yeah, man. Yeah, secure everything. Not secure, but yeah, make sure everybody alright. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, guys, see that now? The lifeguard. Yeah.
Stay on that side, come over.
Yeah.
Someone in a year, no?
They're not a year, man.
Just someone in a year.
Yeah.
In a year, one day.
So normally when them clean up all them seaweed and something at time, or them leave them?
Yeah, they left them the one. I said we done a kids park last week, and I'm sure them save, The woman just turn her back and take picture and never watch him picking.
Yeah.
Right in the pool. And then when we go see her picking it, the picking in the pool or Joan, then we go see her picking. That's okay. She can swim, she can swim. So why she's in the pool or
exactly, I struggle.
Yeah.
You know, look like the hotel that pay much attention to like the upkeep though.
Yeah?
You know, look like them pay much attention to upkeep, like place want to renovate, and then inside dirty.
Yeah. Let me tell you the greatest thing is this. The greatest thing you do, you don't want to get bookings.
That's it. Yeah. Because I go in a room, one room over there, say yesterday, Saturday I come here.
Yeah.
And the thing now work. One whole day now work, the next day now work. Of course, I have to go down there and find a manager.
Yeah.
And them change you and give you one different room.
Yeah,
so I realize what I want.
About a bad review is a place I get
yeah, I mean say, I don't know. Oh, and the room them not clean, dog. Them not clean them properly. No.
Not spend money.
Just one of the bookings, that's it.
Nah, spend money right property.
Yeah. Two rum punch. The strawberry. Yeah, we ran nephew.
One.
Two of them. Dirty bar. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here.
Yo guys, a beer rum where I drink from, we come here. Beer rum punch every day. Rum punch or some kind of liquor. Right now I come from the beach. So I will go up to the buffet, go get something to eat. 2:30 now, day still a go. It's nice. Relaxation. Today on Monday. So people over the pool enjoy themselves. Kinda windy still down here guys. Real windy. We have beach kinda windy but nice and cool. It's not hot. Breeze are blowing, you know? So, yeah. I'll go through. Alright, I'll go up go get something to eat and come back. Yeah, as I said before, property kind of big. Everything that towards the front, they got all these food places towards the front. See, Blue Moon. Our steakhouse right here. Dinner show, live band at nights. They have like a buffet, 2 different buffets. They got Chinese hibachi stuff. They got bowling alley, a pool hall, a club. Whole lot of things to do. Captain's Market. How are you? Some shots, some thumbnail and things. Monday. Nice sunset over here. It's already gone down. I think I'm gonna close this one out and then head on over to dinner. Or maybe I'll film some more. So we got dinner later on. It's probably about 7 now. So thing.